you don't know, say nothing not go on and I can't hardly manage and things, you know what I mean? But I'm going to try to do a things too, because you know, say, now I work on things, things set out. I want to use, you know, say everything, you know. Baby, yeah. I shot it, yeah?
Bad leg, you know my day style, chicken gonna come like it and mash me up, you know. You know my leg something up at the I want you guy and them thing for me, you know. So me I say,
oh baby, what go on? Walk up, look for you, look more and give you the cow foot, you know. Stop.
yeah, no, it's a bad leg. I want me Jordan there.
You know, come on, boy, take up your shoes down. Tear up your bone, dirty pants, boy. Run down with the things that we should. You mean about it when we hold him. Just start. Let me even know what, boy.
You come like a joke.
Jordans. Yeah, I'm gonna call a girl and tell her this. Hey babe, come to Nella. I just get something. I say, you really know, you know how long one of them, you know my shoes. You may say, I come look for you later, I come link here, I go see something new, brand new babes. I love your hair. That's brand new J's. Touch off it and get a bug again. What? Yeah man, I don't know your boy Jnel and that was the J's video. I hope you like that one, the fans, you know what I mean? So yo, check out my YouTube if you're watching this on a social network. Just check out my YouTube and type that JNEL TV. Don't remember to like, share and subscribe, I understand? Share your favorite video. There's one video there you can choose. I don't know. JNEL TV, big up all of my fans and big up Jamaica, they did laugh, you know what I mean? That was so, I didn't even expect that, but big up on yourself, JNEL TV, loud.